What's up guys, it's your girl Stiff Breast and I'm back with another video. Well, basically what I'm going to do today guys, I'm going to do a story time my first time get locked up. So guys, the first time I get locked up, I used to work at a supermarket in St. Elizabeth. I used to do cashier work. So I used to work with one Chinese man, big supermarket, wholesale and whatever supermarket. So I tell you guys, I feel laugh. Me laugh for that part at first. The Chinese man say him basically see what we are giving things them. So he say we are giving things them to customer. So the problem is me did one of my co-worker me take fair space. And she did get supervisor and me get fair space. So normally I used to do 2 days off and we get fair space, me get 1 day off now. So when the Chinese man said the night now say anybody name call must go outside. So whoever name no call they have to stay inside because our policeman when used to guard when he used to come in the evening time, Mr. Grant too. I call him name Mr. Grant. He used to come every time. Me and Mr. Grant did so we are friends like that. We ever they wind up on him and all this. I just so me see I just look out party that and such. Me I say the night when time the child man call the name of the people them gone out the door and me realize say him name no call for me go out the door. Me go so me say really? In the morning, you know, guys, in the evening part, me did buy one bread, one milk, and something else in the bag. Cause to be honest with you, me never take it serious. Me never take it serious because I don't know where someone at the talk about. But the one thing me go say, thief never feel love. Thief never love to see thief. Because I want black man, you know, supervisor, you know, black man go to this the Chinese man and say we are giving things, you know. And I like they, you know, sit on camera and say Camille's were treating a milk or whatever. No, he never see that. So basically now him go to China man and tell the China man that whatever. So he end up now the night. As me I say, I call the name so police come, Santa Cruz police come. Me not them say anybody run. When we end up on the police them come now, because we did stay back in the supermarket. So the end of the people them when them call them gone home and we the inside now. So them did wait for the jeep to come for we. So the police them come now, but they never have no handcuff so much away. Cause about six away. 6. Yeah, 6 about 6 away. 6 or 5. I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember everybody's name. About 5 or 6 away guys. So them say they don't have so much handcuffs. So they might make sure to tell we say anybody run them I go shoot them. So me just laugh and because I never take no serious because I don't know way my talk about. Because first of all you have proof. We say Camille give a 3 tin milk or 1 bread or whatever. You don't have no proof for that. So him can't tell me say me teeth in things. So we end up we just put me behind the bars up at the station. So me know me start to say serious, me know start to Lord God, me start cry. I said this is serious, me start cry. Me start make some phone call or something call for me call my boyfriend and me I tell him what they go and end up call one JP. Me that oh God, big up yourself in the name, sir. But I think my name, but I'm a good link here and me call him and me I tell him what me explain the procedure to him and whatever and he say alright. If me can get somebody to bail me. Guys, we tell you the truth, this somebody will bail me, I don't not even know his name. Right now I don't know his name. Yes, the JP come and help me out and something and the person did bail me. So we did end up a court. We get with lawyer because how much all of we use the same lawyer. The same lawyer represents all of we. So we get with lawyer and every like a thing and whatever. pay we put money and thing and we lawyer did it for we. But the end of the court, them not have no evidence. No evidence they not have say we thief something. No evidence, no evidence that man don't have. So we end up we bust the case and we win the case and thing and thing. Yeah man, we win the case. Well, we win the case. So basically I didn't get off of that. Because I don't know when me thief that the Chinese man they come talk about say we are giving things and something. But I same black people, same black boy with the supervisor. Him say a supervisor, but him normally go up on the road, carry things and something there. And basically, him used to thief off a truck. When he let off you much bag of sugar and flour and this. Now sometimes a thief never follow for thief. If you are thief and you see somebody a thief, that not nothing to do with you. It match. You are a thief and you see somebody a thief. Where you go make complaint from somebody like where you go to the China man go talk about Missy Camille, Missy Nablet, Missy this, Missy that a thief. Shut up on the mouth, man. That's why enough people losing life. Alright, you see me? If me the love chat, me there as a supermarket they are work, guys. I mean I tell you this. Missy one lady already a thief. And I to be honest with you guys, I never not even pinch one of my co-worker them and tell him say, you know say the lady a thief, I never do that. That and nothing to do with me. Me keep me mouth. Me no come from St. Elizabeth. We are children me come from. So why me oh God, we are St. Elizabeth and see somebody a thief. And I go call the Chinese man or tell one supervisor or tell somebody say him a thief something. Then nothing to do with me. Me no say nothing to nobody until today day. Me never talk and say me see a lady a thief things. Me see her when she have the basket that take up with things them and a pass and capture them out so and she a pick up with things them over the baggages so nobody never did it. And the Chinese people them all know they never said the woman day. And me see her a thief things them and I never said nothing to nobody. You see them here? Sometimes if you see I not see. See people business and leave it alone. But tell me I tell you. Me wonder if him still have him work. Cause me knows that the boy they are thief. Because him no ram fillet off in 2 bag of sugar and in 2 bag of flour when him ready. When you see people are thief man, that not nothing to do with them and you love people. That I work if me see somebody, if me a pass and see somebody a thief, me say me guys me a pray to God that me hear him that even meet pan him because I don't want to see me, you know. Because that's why enough time people get them dead. Because imagine now, me see somebody a thief, nobody so yammer something and him go glimpse me. He might go want maybe hurt me or something because I might say, yes, you know, say, Stiff Breast see me. I don't want a girl, me don't want to see nobody, me don't want to see guys. To be honest, I don't want to see it. I don't want to see people business. Because people will hurt you like that because them have a feeling say you go come back on top. But that not have nothing to do with me. You see me? Me mind my own business. And me not go left from here so I'm going to send it, go see somebody a thief and then now me go tell him say Tom a thief or whatever. No guys, me not go do that. That will never happen. But the happiest thing when me did love me end up and win the case, yes, the judge said no evidence, we are free to go home. Thank you Jesus. Me did free to go home. Yes, me free to go home. And me give God thanks for that. Yes. Me no want nobody call me thief. Me work too hard. From a 12-year-old me I work for myself. Me and a thief. Me and ready for people things. No. Me wait my turn. Bam! This is the end of the video guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and tell a friend about the Stiff Breast channel. I'm out.